guys, today is Thursday, March 26th, and I'm gonna share with you guys a life hack. Okay, so this one here says on supercook.com, I'm gonna write it down there. Okay, on supercook.com, you can enter the ingredients you have readily available, and it will tell you what meals you can make as well as how to prepare them. Wow, this is very convenient, especially especially during this time when you cannot go outside like that, where everybody's the quarantine, like social distancing. So it's not very easy to like go to the grocery store as much as you normally would. So you find yourself at home not having enough ingredients to make a certain meal. So whatever you have, you can go on supercook.com. This is not a promotion for the website, and at all. This is just from my book, from life hacks. And yeah, you just go on Supercook, you put the ingredients you have there, and then it just tells you, it gives you options for recipes and how to make them. It's not like you can just have baking soda and beer and expect to have to make a meal out of it. You just have to have, ingredients, edible ingredients. So I'm actually curious. So I'm gonna look. I'm gonna check it out. So let's go together. Okay, so I'm going to go on supercook.com. I searched it previously, so it's gonna pop up automatically for me. But for you, you have to type in the whole thing. All right, and then enter. And then where is the part where? Oh, okay. So I can okay, for any dish. Okay. Oh, okay. So this part here, you can enter your ingredients, and you click on type them, and then you add ingredients. So what I'm gonna say is okay, what I have is milk. So I've always wanted to do something with milk. Enter pancake mix. I have eggs also. Uh, what else do I have? I have some oatmeal. Okay, it doesn't recognize that. So let's see what that gives. Oh, it gives you it asks you if you have these things. You don't have lemon, I don't have yogurt, I don't have chocolate, I don't have Kahlua, I don't have chocolate pudding, I don't have sugar. Yeah, I do have bananas. Um pancake syrup. I do have no, I don't have that. I don't have cheddar. I don't have that. I don't have that. I don't have this. Peanut butter, no. Um, muffin mix. What is chocolate chips? No, I don't have that. Um, um, okay, so it gives you a lot of options. So I'm gonna choose the impossible pie, cause that way I can use my pancake mix. It's not a lot. It's just, I just want to, use it as soon as possible because I've had it for a while. Loading the recipe, and you can see it shows you pictures of the, of what it, it might look like. Um, right. See the next photo. I mean, the photos are not very clear, but whatever. It looks pretty good to me as long as I can eat it. Um, all right. So wait. So where is the recipe? The impossible pie big what magic crust pie. Okay, I guess you can go back and see if it shows you. Wait, what? I want to see the recipe, but it doesn't show. Or maybe I'm not seeing it. Impossible pie, various, including meat. Oh, you can add meat too. My recipe box. Let's see. Welcome to your kitchen. So when you press get started, okay, it asks you to sign up. I'm not gonna obviously I'm not gonna screen record my login information, but that's definitely something that I'm gonna start using. I didn't even know about it until today, so I'm gonna start using it because sometimes, a lot of times, I have some ingredients like maybe tomatoes, but then I don't have onions, and then I have um um bell peppers, and then I don't have either tomatoes or onions, and it's just not from where I'm from, or like the household I come from. You can't. It doesn't sound normal to cook anything with bell peppers and no onions, or onions without tomatoes. It just doesn't sound that. But anyways, I'm gonna try that, and you also try it and let me know in the comments how that worked out for you, and I will respond to let you know how it worked out for me. All right, thank you guys for watching this. I hope this was helpful. I hope you are able to navigate the website, to when you put in your ingredients and stuff. um other than that, okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay.